My name is Edanyelis Morales. I'm 22 years old. I am a student at the Hospitality Culinary Dietetics department. I work at JFK Hospital in Edison as a cook. I chose this program mainly because I had a lot of coworkers who came here and they gave really good words regarding Chef McInerney and Professor Lynch. In addition to my high school teacher, she also gave really good words regarding the culinary program. My favorite part about the program was 2 classes, which was banquet, mainly because it shows self-discipline. It teaches you how to have a lot of urgency, how to work under pressure. In addition to our conversions class with Professor Rubin, and I find it very interesting and a very good class, mainly because it shows you a lot of the needs that you will need to break down a recipe if you were to have your own business in the future, or even work as an executive chef. I'm looking forward to opening my own business, in addition to giving back to Middlesex College, such as accepting current students for internships to provide them with more hands-on experience to further improve their skills. I'm just very sentimental. They really help you. They're very intrigued in their job. They really know how to push you in good ways to make you feel proud of yourself, or make you gain more confidence as a student or as a current worker in the culinary industry, because it's hard. But I just love the determination of every teacher, not just the culinary department, in addition to every other department that there has been. My sustainability teacher, it's not only the class, it's mostly the entire school, because you also had to take electives for a couple more credits, but the determination is not only in here, it's everywhere, which is one of the things that I mainly like about the school.